no, we're proving it today because research has shown over and over and over again that positive thoughts have a massive impact on the structure of your brain. And when the structure of your brain changes, the function of your brain long-term will change as well. In fact, it's very similar to how physical exercise gradually changes the body if you do it over and over and over again. Positive brain workouts help form new neural pathways that can disrupt your negative thinking patterns, leading to long-lasting changes in your cognitive function, which help you think better and actually help your brain work better. And so to understand how this works, let's first take a look at just the brain itself. Your brain is basically this little mushy thing that's made up of billions and billions of neurons, which are specialized cells that transmit information throughout the brain and the nervous system. And these neurons are connected through things called synapses, which help them communicate with one another. And when you think a thought or you perform a certain action or task in some sort of way, your neurons are going to fire in a particular pattern that corresponds with that thought or with that action. And there's a real famous phrase, the most famous phrase around neurology is neurons that fire together, wire together. Fire together basically just means an electrical signal. And then they wire together, which means they create an electrical connection. And over time, repeated patterns of thought or behavior, positive, negative, whatever it might be, just repeated patterns of thought and behavior can actually change the structure of your brain. And this is known as neuroplasticity. This is what allows your brain to adapt and learn new things throughout your entire life. So we've all heard the phrase, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Completely false.